Hey Math 1, let's recap how to graph exponential equations. Okay, there's still two key features you need to know whenever you want to graph something. Okay, we need to know our starting point, the starting point. Okay, and we also need to know the pattern, or since it's exponential, we could call that the common ratio or the constant ratio. Okay, but since it's exponential, it's going to be a multiply pattern for sure. Multiply or divide, right? Multiply or divide pattern. And the easiest way to do this, okay, the easiest way to graph exponentials is to make a table. Okay, make a table because they don't grow constantly, they're curvy. So we need to know exactly the points to make that curve. All right, let's pick out the important information from the equation, and then we'll make our table to draw a graph. Whenever you do exponential or geometric equations, your starting value, okay, is right there in front. So our starting point is going to be 0, 9. I know that it's a 0 because my x value wasn't adjusted at all. Okay, how about the ratio or the pattern? Okay, this is definitely a multiply by 1/3. Okay, so that's the pattern. I'm going to take that starting point and put it into a table over here, 0, 9. Okay, and I'm going to make these all go up by 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm just going to use one common ratio to get to all my other points. Okay, so since it's 1/3 multiply by 1/3, it's actually a divide pattern, divide by 3. That's going to be a 3. What's 1/3 of 3? That's 1. What's 1/3 of 1? 1/3. 1/3 of 1/3? That's 1/9. Okay, sometimes if you use your calculator, you might get some decimals with this, okay, which might make it easier to graph. So a 9 got divided by 3, made a 3. Divide that by 3, we get a 1. Divide by 3, there's 1/3. 1/3 is 0.333 repeating, and then divide that answer by 3, and 1/9 is 0.111 repeating. Okay, let's go ahead and graph this. I notice that it's geometric. Okay, it's geometric. It's exponential. Okay, it's exponential because it's got an exponent. Okay, it's got a divide pattern here. The divide pattern is divide by 3. Divide by 3, or 1/3. Okay, let's go draw a nice curvy exponential graph. The starting point is 0, 9. The next point is 1, 3. 1 to the right, 3 up. 2 to the right, 1 up. 3 to the right, 1/3 of a box. If you try to chop it into 3, you go 1/3. 4 to the right, 1/9. Okay, I definitely see a geometric curve here. When you go to draw the graph, okay, we're going to curvy down, okay, and remember, we're not actually going to cross the x-axis. You're just going to get closer, and put an arrow on it. Okay, we never drop down. It's just going to get tinier decimals. Does this look geometric? Does this look like an exponential graph? And it's definitely a divide one because it's getting smaller. Okay. I'd love for you in class kick when you go back to your work at the top right corner, get an orange pen, okay, and draw a cute little picture of a flower in the corner so I know you watched your video. Thank you.